Government contracts offer credibility, consistency, and scale, ideal for startups seeking stability and growth opportunities. B2G differs from B2B or B2C, it's regulated, slow-moving, and focused on compliance, not persuasion. New entrepreneurs must understand procurement rules and avoid treating government deals like regular sales pitches. Winning a contract boosts reputation with investors, banks, and future private sector clients. Governments value proven, scalable solutions, not bleeding-edge innovations or untested startup ideas. B2G offers countercyclical revenue, demand stays strong even during economic downturns and private sector slumps. Procurement success depends on precision, missing documents or formatting errors lead to instant disqualification. Always attend pre-bid meetings to gather insights, ask questions, and signal serious intent. Governments prefer low-risk vendors. Compliance and performance matter more than charisma or clever branding. Start with niche services like cybersecurity or logistics for smaller agencies before scaling up. Understand the full procurement lifecycle, pre-solicitation, RFI, RFP, evaluation, and post-award execution. Build long-term relationships by showing up consistently, even when no contracts are available. Documentation is crucial, prepare compliance materials in advance to reduce bidding delays. A one-page capability statement is essential, tailor it specifically for government agency needs. Avoid underbidding just to win, you risk underdelivering and damaging your reputation permanently. Participate in vendor days, forums, and policy hackathons to expand visibility in public sector networks. Form alliances with mid-tier firms already holding contracts, they often need niche partners. Stand out by aligning proposals with government priorities like sustainability and digital transformation. Don't use generic, proposal mills, agencies spot recycled content and reject copy-paste submissions. Treat every bid like a reputation test, government buyers remember poor performance for years.